In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up codes for SMS Klaviyo. To get started, you will be working inside the coupons area of Klaviyo. This is where you create the code that customers can use when they receive your SMS promotion. Setting this up correctly matters because the code needs to match what you plan to mention in your message, and it needs to be valid for the right offer. First, go to Content, then click on Coupons. You may see this in your main navigation menu or inside your Klaviyo dashboard. Take a moment to look at the top or side navigation so you can find content. Once you click Content, you should see the Coupons option appear. Select Coupons to open the section where all coupon codes are managed. After you open Coupons, you will be ready to create a new code. This is the place where Klaviyo keeps track of every promotion you make, including the codes customers can enter at checkout. If you already have existing codes, you may see them listed here. Do not worry if you see several entries. You are just about to start adding a new one. Next, in the Coupons section, find the area where you can type in a new coupon name. Then type a coupon name. The instruction is to use something like Welcome 10. You can think of the coupon name as the label that helps you organize and identify the code. It can be helpful to keep it clear and consistent, especially if you plan to create multiple codes for different campaigns. As you type the coupon name, make sure you enter it exactly where Klaviyo expects it. Some dashboards use a field labeled something like Coupon Name, Name, or Create Coupon. If you see a text box, click inside it and then type your code name. This is the step where you are essentially telling Klaviyo what this coupon will be called. Once you have typed the coupon name, pause briefly and double-check it before moving on. This helps you avoid mistakes, especially simple ones like missing characters. Also, if you intend to reference this code in your SMS message, it helps to keep the name aligned with what you plan to communicate. At this stage, you have successfully reached the point where the coupon code creation process begins. You are now positioned to proceed with the rest of the coupon setup, such as defining the details of the discount and how it will be applied. The key action you performed in this portion is entering the coupon name in the correct place inside Content, then Coupons. After confirming the coupon name, you can continue with the remaining steps of coupon configuration in Klaviyo. That may include setting the discount rules and other conditions, but for the moment, your focus is on completing this initial entry cleanly. That is it for this part. You have gone to Content, selected Coupons, and typed a coupon name like Welcome 10 to begin setting up your SMS coupon code in Klaviyo. That covers everything you need to know.